welcome back to Prenup or No Prenup, where we break down high-profile divorces and whether a prenup or lack of one made a difference. Today we're diving into one of Hollywood's most expensive divorces, Mel Gibson and Robin Moore. Mel and Robin married in 1980, long before Mel became one of Hollywood's highest-paid actors. But as his career skyrocketed, so did his fortune. The problem? No prenup. And since they lived in California, a community property state, Robin was legally entitled to half of everything Mel earned during their 30-year marriage. And by the time of their divorce in 2009, Gibson was worth a staggering $850 million, and Robin walked away with half, a reported $425 million settlement. So, should Mel have had a prenup? Well, without one, his divorce cost him nearly $500 million. But for Robin, it was a financial happily ever after. Would a prenup have changed the game? Let me know what you think in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more celebrity divorce breakdowns.
Thanks for tuning in to the end. We understand that divorce can be expensive depending on the situation. That's why we're offering our Do-It-Yourself Texas Divorce e-course. You can get access to this e-course by clicking on the link in the description below. Catch you in the next video.